Name's Adam Cohen. I have three boys, 3.5-year-old, and two twin boys that are 13 months. So it's full on.
Wow.
Yeah. Um, that when situations come up that are stressful or triggering, I need to stand back and watch myself and watch my child before engaging. And that oftentimes they're just looking for connection and not attention. It definitely felt almost like a parental support group as much as it did a class on, specific approach to parenting. It validated that, I'm not alone in this journey. Also, it gave me the space to even think about what I was doing right or what I was doing wrong as a parent. It's not often that I get an hour and a half, 2 hours during the week to sit down and really analyze and just reflect. And so that's been pretty powerful. I think there were several moments throughout the class or throughout the 8 weeks that I was able to reflect and really question myself and really dive into the parent that I want to be. So all of this just kind of culminated into leaving a better parent, I guess. I'll get emotional talking about it.